Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am providing you detailed demonstration how to get super thanks on YouTube video, and you can earn additional income using after receiving super thanks on YouTube. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, I will tell you here such kind of options are automatically comes here, show support with super thanks. If you are clicking this particular super thanks button, so people are providing you some of the money like $2, $5, $10 or $50 if they are happy about your content. So they are just like buy and send, providing here credit card, debit card number, like, and then buy some specific coupon. So how to enable this one? So look at this here. This is my YouTube email address, and yesterday I received this congress on being eligible for the super thanks. If you are eligible, super thanks criteria is a 1000 subscriber, 4000 watching hours, and it's mandatory to monetize your channel, and you follow the all community guideline. Then YouTube are recognize your YouTube channel, and then they are providing you such kind of option, so you can very easily enable your YouTube channel, explore new way to earn, enable to just clicking identify your biggest fan available on this. So for example, my current videos like this, here is no enable options are available, but after I am enabling, the option are automatically come here. So simply I click here enable. I'm just clicking the enable, so it's mandatory to enter your monetize option, and inside the monetize option earliest just only super chat and super sticker. So here they are added here super thanks. I just simply click here and my super thanks is enabled now. Look at this. So now I will show you this, the particular enable thanks are coming or not. So I just open here my publish video. This is my publish video. Just today I published this video, and I refresh and look at this here. Super chat is enabled here. Show support with super thanks. Simply click here and then donate Research Rock specific amount if you are like my content. So it's very simple process to enable YouTube channel if YouTube are providing you specific email, such kind of. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.